Okay, so we're back with one of our samples here, which has got the copper in, the SprinkleIT copper, as you can see at the top here. Now we're going to stamp using some of our new stamps and using our versifying clairs. We've got the black, we've got the monarch, and we've got the twilight. I may add some other colours. We'll just wait and see how we get on. I'm going to start first with this one because that's our focal point. So bobbing that down, it's actually too big for that one, so I'm going to put that on a larger block. And I'm going to ink up in the nocturne, the black. Okay, so bobbing that down pretty much central, giving that a good press. Leave it sitting for a while just so that it absorbs into the card. There we go. Okay, so taking our tiny little foraging fairies, popping them on to a small block, again inking up in the black. We're just going to pop a few of those around. Again, just leave it sit on the card and you'll get a much clearer and sharper image that way. And I think just one more actually. And we'll pop that one at the top there. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to use the spruce, the forest spruce, and this time I'm going to ink up in the monarch. And I'm just going to bob a little around the top there. The great thing about this stamp, you can use it at the top of your card or at the bottom. I'm going to stamp off this time and then just pop that down the bottom. But this is a lovely stamp, it's really detailed, as you can see. Okay, so over the top of that we're going to stamp our slender mushrooms, just to give it a little bit of depth, and this time we're going to use the twilight. There we go. Okay, so if we want to pop a moon there somewhere, we can just pick somewhere where we would like to highlight. So I'm going to choose that fairy to go round. This is just a piece of acetate, by the way. I don't know whether you can actually see that, but I've just cut it out with a circle cutter. Pop that over the top, taking a smoothie and the Monarch. I don't want an awful lot of ink, so just test it first. I'm just taking quite a lot of that off. You can see how juicy they really are. And then I'm going to just go around the edge. And just build your colour up gradually. Don't be tempted to just put a load of ink onto the smoothie. You can build this up gradually to give it depth. But I'm quite happy with this depth, so I don't need to put any more ink on now. So I'm just going to remove that. And it just creates a really nice moon effect. Okay, so I'm going to go around the edge of the card here with the Monarch. Purple and green are really nice complementary colours, they go well together. That's why I've chosen these two colours. And just by blending the edge of the card, it automatically pulls your eye into the center. Okay, so finishing off now, I'm going to use our Jelly Roll pen. I'm just going to highlight a few areas. It's nice to go around the edge of the moon as well. Just makes that pop. You can just see that there in the light. Okay, and I've just highlighted the window there to make it look like the lights are on. Okay, so I think just one more thing I might add to that now are the words. So popping, you can use any kind of script, anything you want. This is just more for an effect rather than reading it. So I'm going to go back to the Monarch inking app, stamping off, and then I'm just going to pop a few words about, and that just gives it just a really nice effect. Okay. So there's your card. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you.